Guys, so as you can see, I have made my center parting right now. I'm just going to color my hair with this B blunt, and as you can see, I do not have so much of grays for touchwood for that, but I am having 2 or 3 strands of gray hair here, and some of the gray hair are here only. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna highlight my hair. I will be giving 10 or 6 highlight, 6 highlights here and 6 highlights there in this part of my head, so that I will be having 12 highlights, and if I will be needing more, so I can enhance it up to 15 highlights. So yeah, I'm just going to do that, and we'll show you the end result. So I'm just gonna mix these 3 tubes. So first of all, I'm just gonna mix this colorant. So I'll be highlighting my hair, so I will be taking some little amount of product. So it has given this 25 grams, so I'm just doing it right away. So yeah, this amount of this colorant we will be needing. This is the first step in this. So yeah, this is the first thing that I will be needing, this much only. Then secondly, I'm just gonna mix this developer into this. It has also given the mark of 25 grams here. As you can see, this is the thing for highlighting or root touch up. So I'm just gonna take this 25 grams of this only. Yeah. So yeah, this is the 25 grams of the product. And now the interesting part comes here. It has given one shine tonic, as you can see. So it will be also going to mix in this. So yeah, it has not, okay, it has given 4 ml here. The mark is 4 ml. So I'm just gonna mix this amount of shine tonic here. Okay, some more I will be needing because I want shine into my hair. So I'm just gonna mix it now. So I'm just gonna mix it very well. Hopefully this amount will be good for highlighting my hair. So I'm just mixing all the 3 ingredients. So this is the thick consistency it's giving us. So yeah guys, I'm just going to do that. In this packet of B blunt, they have given me this gloves, so I'm just going to open it and wear it. So yeah. I'm super duper excited but nervous too this time, because I'm just going to color my hair for the very first time. Fingers are crossed. So yeah, I have just worn my gloves, and I have purchased this color dye brush for my hair. This is so good, and very useful for coloring your hair. So I'm just gonna do. So yes guys, I'm just ready with my hair. I'm so very scared, but let's do it. Hey guys, so as you can see, I have highlighted my hair like this, and I have not used foil because it was so messy to use the foil, and actually I don't know how to use the foil on our hair. So I have just done like this only, and as you can see, my hands are so like this only gets dirty. So I'm just going to just wear this shower cap and then just sit for 30 minutes, as mentioned in the packet that you have to sit for 30 minutes if you want actual color. So I'm just gonna sit for 30 minutes, and then after that we'll wash it and we'll show you the results. So stay tuned. So hi guys, as you can see I have just washed my hair after coloring from Be Blunt. As you can see I have highlighted my hair. So little amount of that mahogany color, that is burgundy color, you can see onto my hair. And right now it is not visible, but when we see it in the sunlight, you can definitely gonna see some of the shade over here. So in the sunlight it is quite visible, but in interior light it's not visible. So this is the end result of that Be Blunt color. And you can see my all the gray hair are covered very well. Little amount of gray hair I had, but it made my hair so bouncy and shiny. As you can see, this is the color in the sunlight, day sunlight. So